resisted arrest.
Good morning, traders. Good morning, everybody. Waiting on the channel to fire up. And we'll see if we can go live. We are live right now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, traders. This is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Hope everybody's having a good day. You're gonna hear good news today for sure. This is not a financial advice. We do have voice. Everything is good. Turn this off. Let me play some music on here. I don't see anything to play today. It's all tight range. Let's go to the 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. D. Oracle. Disney. After this drop yesterday, everything's gonna went haywire. You can see here, everything is bouncing back somewhat. Apple. This is between the two. Like you see here, like this is trapped right here, kinda. AMD open down. See what the SPY is doing. SPY looks good. I like to be cautious early in the morning, especially after a drop. Like nothing serious will happen. You just need to see how these things play out. I take one shot at AMD if you give it to us. It didn't give it to us, of course. AMD, if it goes to here, there we go, give it to us right here, so we'll just get $100 on this. That is Baba. I thought it was AMD. Forgot I added AMD. Baba. We're taking Baba long. Move my stop to this bar right here. If it gets taken, we're off. Okay, got stopped out on this one. Usually there's a little lag in the morning on these stops, but it's executing. It's delayed a little bit, but it should have took it right here. Okay. You, Apple. See what happened to Apple here. The entry should have been here. That would have been 50 cents right there. But we didn't get it. Idea. See if this bar closes green. Looks like a good setup. Good morning, ATF. I'm gonna take NVIDIA long if this bar holds. Like this setup. But when NVIDIA long, it'll show in about a minute. It'll show it right here, probably should. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Took NVIDIA long here. It didn't register yet. There we go. It did. It's right there. We'll take 25 right here on the new high. Hopefully it'll give us another bar. You guys, what happened to Microsoft? That was crazy, man. Crazy drop on Microsoft. Look like ChatGPT gonna bounce. They're not making any money and they're spending money on it like crazy. If this gets sticking out on my short baba right here. Needed a little bit more movement. Sorry guys, I'm losing my voice. Kind of sick. Been a tough week. See how that goes. I'm gonna take another one here, but I got distracted. This thing is this chest congestion and all that is just hitting everybody. waiting on this one to clear this right here. You can short it. Oh man, I forgot to put my stop. Oh, not really, man. Most of my long positions are for long term. I didn't even look at the market yesterday. I was doing the that's free seminar with Robertson, whatever his name is. Oh, it's pretty cool. 2 million people attended that. 1.2 or 1.3 attended that seminar. I'm going to reduce my risk on this play. All right, I'm going to reduce it more and more. I'm out. I don't like this bar. It's too big. You have a massive bar like this on a place such like this. Takes off all the bars. It might continue down. Crazy market today. Like the whole week. So it picked up, which is good. I would have been a good play on HUD right here. Let's see HUD. See how you have that big bar, no follow through right here? It continues, so you might want to short it. Maybe it will touch that 20, you'll short it again. It breaks, how big is this bar? 65. 172.70. 173, that's enormous bar. This one right here might work. 280. 13, that's below 50 cents. A little distance here. If we can take another. That's what I'm talking about. Can you guys hear me? What the hell was that? Look at that something. It's just look at something else. This little chart just changed. Everything changed. The setup, everything. Oh yeah, we went back to the 15 minutes. 2 minutes. Here. Uber disk. All right, thank you. Sorry, I got paused for a second like that. Internet just froze. Not much working at it, man. Trying to make a couple of dollars here. At that hood, I was hoping to drop a little bit more. I was gonna swing trade it on my account. We'll see if it goes back to that 99. This is a good play for a swing play. You have to hold it for a long time, though. Not a long time. I mean, maybe till after spring. You might go back to 154. Not a financial advice, but you might do it because that's cheap. That is cheap for Robinhood. You're getting it like I think it got to 153 or 143. That is cheap. I don't see a trade so far right now. This was AMD continued. Baba also continued. Serum. That's a good 10 minutes. I used to trade the 10 minute. It's very accurate. I love the 10 minutes. Yeah, you can. If you manage your risk to $100 every play, and you do 3, and you take these small bars, but make sure you let the play run. Let the play run. You're gonna be always ahead. Like get 3-1, 2-1, and move your stop to break even. You're always gonna be ahead. Yesterday was the big crash. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Just make sure you're risking anything on these plays, but with the 10 minute it'll be tough. But if you do it this is how I do it. Like oh, excellent. If you do like you pick up small bars, 20 cents, 15 cents, 40 cents, and if your risk is 400 still, like if you see how many shares you can enter, okay, depending on your account. So you can enter 300-400 shares with zero worries, and you know that you're still within your loss limit at 100 shares. So you pick the smallest bar you can find in a good location, and you just keep buying till if your risk is $400, and you play that $400 play. And if it goes 4-1, 3-1, you might make $400-500. So that will pay for 4 losers, 5 losers. That's what I play at lunchtime. That's what I do, like in the mornings. Not in the morning. I mean, when things start happening slow and just things calms down, and I see a trend or whatever, I just buy it around the 20. Okay, I'm gonna take hood here. See if we can get some play out of it. I'm going to take one off right off the... See, my risk is $70 on 300 shares. We're taking one off at the new high. Hoping the target is 104. Okay, I'm going to take one right here. And I move my stop right to break even. Now it's a free trade. That's 2-1 right here. So I'm going to take another one right here. And I'm going to let the rest rip. See if we can get another bar. If we get another push to that 104, I'll take 25 shares off. There we go. I'm going to take one here. Remember, even numbers, they take profit on them. Here we go. It's ripping. I'm going to take another one right here. And I'm going to leave the rest just that 50 share. See if we can get some more out of this play. We can get another push. That's the third bar. Usually market moves in 3 bars. So we made good money on this play right here. If you want to measure it like you just do your losses, how much I'm risking here. If you're risking from here to here, you just like, you kind of gauge it. You don't have to be precise. So you say like this is 1-1, this is 2-1, this is 3-1. You just gauge it with the size of the risk you have. Let's say like you have this much risk. So you gauge it with that risk. Visually. You don't have to be like precise and do math and all that. Just like that. Simple as that. Whatever the bar you're risking, you kind of gauge it. 1-1, 2-1, 3-1. You took Apple long yesterday? On the reversal. That's a good play if you catch it all the way up, because Apple, a lot of people, when the market's crashing, they start buying Apple because it's more secure. They run to safety, basically. I'm going to take one here because it took that bar. That shouldn't happen. So I'm risking $11 on this play with 25 shares. There's this one right here on Google. I'm going to take it long. I'm going to take this long on Google. Oh, wow. A little bit high. I had 200 shares. So let's see. Man, we got whacked on this one. Everything reversed. Let's see. I'm going to take a stab at it again here if color changes. Let's see how this play developed right now. Like the 20 is kind of rising, so. Oh, wow. Nice. How many shares? See, this can go back up here and shoots down, so. Wow. Nice play. You get retired off these plays. Mm. Ah, here comes the play. They took everybody stops. Man, beautiful play. Okay, let's see if he continued. Collapsed. They took profits. Wow. Okay. See how it failed to make a new high? But we can't take this ginormous bar right here. Need a small bar. Teeny bar. This bar is right here is 70, 102.73, 103.18. That's 45 cents. You see, like plays like this. Of course, you want the bar to close green so you can take your play. See, green bars, nothing getting accomplished here. Still in that 20%. Also, like you got the 21 underneath it, so it's not much you can do. The pressure is on this play right here. got a couple of tails, like zero directions, like in the trap zone. Needs to clear that trap zone. Okay, just did. Still, we have no play here. Comes that 50% right here. Same thing, nothing happened. Neutral bar. Closed within this bar right here, within this thing. Let's see. That's how you look at it, like, make sure, like, you're looking at these bars. Did they do any damage? Did they take this big bar? Did they break here? Nothing. That's how a lot of people get butchered when they see green lights. You want like a nice bar, like fluent bar, institution bars, so you can play. That you see there's volume behind that trade. This is just right here, it's all noise. Go with the fourth bar. Oh man, look at that right here. Well, I'm so sick and medicated, I can't eat. This is a beautiful bar for a trade right here. Oh, so you're risking 70, 37, 71, 88, 20, like 50 cents. You could have entered 200 shares on this one. Okay, Robinhood decided to take off. I would have took profit right here, exit the whole position, probably. Just don't know what's going to happen. I might go up to here. Oh, the market's rallying. Okay, let's see NVIDIA. NVIDIA pulled back. Am I short NVIDIA here? No, we need to be in a certain. I'd like to be somewhere else. Hood. Still climbing. A big bar no follow through, but it took its sweet time. Let's see if it shows. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I don't want to take my eyes off. See how this bar got taken out? Let's see, 104. It took it a minute to take this bar off, so it's kind of weak. Let's see. go. And this type of sickness, it just gets in your chest and lingers, doesn't go anywhere. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get some excitement here, guys. My brain is running on 2 cylinders right now. Let's see if there's any plays for us here. This one is cooked. This one might pull back. It's already moved way up. Nvidia. Oh, right here. Boom. Oh. Wish I took it right here. That's that grand finale move right here. Volunteer. Tesla, Goog. Do we see how was that bar 21? Oh, that was a 10-cent risk right here, guys. That's a beautiful play. It pulls back to here. See, like this is what I'm talking about. It's 10 cents. You could have entered 500 shares on this play. Good morning. There's Robinhood. It failed to make a new high. We'll see how it reacts around the 21 right here. I need it to pull back a little bit more. It got to the 50% right here. You see it? If this bar fails, it might just keep going down. See, it's done for the day. That's it. That's that 50% move right here. So what I keep talking about, like, look, boom, split that sucker in half, 50 to 60% right there. Failed to make a new high so far. We'll see. And it already moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how many bars it took it to get just to get to 50%. It didn't do it with violence, like a little bit of push. You have to see. Good morning. You have to see the quality. You have to see the quality of the move. Like if you see a move like this is a quality move right here. This bar is not bad. You have to see. This one here is somewhat okay, but the 21 is like dumping down, so. Because of the massive drop yesterday. Uber. Disney already, let's see. SPY. This might be a play on the SPY right here. This kind of narrow range bar. Need it near that 20 though. See how this developed right here. Remember how, no matter how like the, if the green bar looks green, just wait till it finishes. Always wait till that freaking bar finishes because it might finish red. See on the SPY, give you the illusion, hey, we're going green, green, hey, party time, and boom. You always wait till the last second. You probably took it right here. Most people will jump in right here. And this thing will never go back to 84 again. And that's how they trap you. That's how you get trapped. That's why you wait, like, you start looking at the last, this is what I do. I start looking at the last 11, 12 seconds, 9 seconds, and I see how this thing's, if it's a true move, usually the last 10, 15 seconds of the 2 minute, that's when you know like you're in a true move. See how it closes below it? I'm going to take 100 shares on this. And I'm going to put my stop right underneath this. Risking $43. Hopefully we can get it right here to a new high. Because it did close above that bar. So I'm taking the SPY long. I don't know how that 3 shares still in there, but whatever. I'm risking $43 on this play. It shouldn't break this bar right here. If it breaks it, we're out. We don't care. It is what it is. Okay, we got taken out on this one. So you can take so many plays if your risk is so small. Remember, one attempt, second attempt, and now we're going down. But it is grinding up slowly. If this red gets taken out, I might re-enter this. All right, now I'm going to switch to the 5 minutes. It's more superior than the 2 minutes. Like trading the 5 minute. Okay, we're good here. Let's see. This is looking good on the SPY, guys. Usually, this is the wedge play. If this get rejected here, usually the smaller SMAs win. So we'll see how that halts. If it halts it again, we'll play it. You want to see how it bounces off these lines. A lot of people mistake this. I explained that in one of my shorts, this play. A lot of people mistake the 200 is going to win. If the 200 is going to win, you're going to have a massive red bar drops and no follow through. But if it touches and it bounces, it touches and it bounces. Okay. The 21 is going to win and the 8. There we go. This is going to be the true play right here. If he gets rejected here hard and he bounces up, that's it. We're going up. See, you want like a little push, harder pushes. If you see it keep hitting this, like somewhere around here, around that zone, and it bounce back, this thing's going up. Don't let that 200 fool you. You need a color change, of course. Let's see how this rebound, if it rebounds hard. If it doesn't, and it breaks this bar, this play is over.
Blessings on the path, taste that flavor. Energy's magnetic, it calls your name. You're
waiting on this to do. It's either gonna break it. If we have no color change, this continues. Okay, this plays off. Finished. If it bounces back up, this is a little zone right here, so you, yeah. I see how it didn't bounce, so this plays over. It's no good. I guess we're back to the short, guys. This would have been a nice play right here. Google. Well, you still have that 20 right here, but he should have took profit here, and he should have took profit here. He should have exit right here. I don't know if you exit right here, because this is the new high right here. Like when the stock comes and make a new high, that everything changes. It might move more, but it might come back to that 20 right here. But you should have took the majority of your position right here. Yeah, I'm looking at the 5 minute. Let me look at the 10 minute. I don't think TradingView does 10 minute. Ah, it does. I still have the 8. Looks. Let me see. So this is the whole move right here. This is the 50% right here. Might drop to 36.89 to retest that. But so far it's respecting that 8. And like I said, you see how like this is the high of the day. You should have took profit right here. It doesn't matter. You should have exit 80% of the position right here. I hope you did. It is true, yeah. My target might be right here, 342 for the day. Where's your stop at? I know, where's your stop? I hope you have a stop. Like display, how much is that? That's good. Make sure you have a stop. I'm watching this one right here. I might take it long. Let it explode. I hope it does, man. I hope you make millions and millions and millions of dollars. Just don't get greedy. Take profits. Good luck. Keeping a close eye on this thing right here. Make sure you stick to your stops. Don't hope. I used to hope back in the days, not anymore. All right. If a color change happened here, I'm going to take it long. Take a Robinhood long. That's where the 50% are. Let's see. This is my zone to take it long. This is a 40 cents risk right here. Oh, I'm going to take Robinhood long. 300 shares right here. Put my stop right there. Risking $108. $96 on display. We'll see. He takes it right here. Robinhood long. I'll be taking one at the 20. There we go. Took one off. That's 1-to-1. I'll move my stop to break even. To retest that 20, I might take another one off. It pushes above this one a little bit more. Desperately trying to make 2-to-1. There we go. Looks pretty strong. At least it might push to here without taking my stop, I'm hoping. Okay, let's see. Let's look at this risk. If this bar closes green, we might take it long. Give it a shot again. We can short Apple right here. We get a small bar too. We can short Apple right here if it gets near that 20 and it gives us a red bar. Shot up, double dipped. It did make a new low. You got to pay attention to this right here. Shot up. And it went, shot up from here all the way to here, went back. So what you need to look at on these pullbacks, you want to see, okay, that is the bottom right here, somewhere right here. Like, see how there's a little distance, higher high. So you want to watch out from that. If you're going to take a short, it needs to break this position here. So it didn't come near it. This move here was long all the way up. This move. I'm telling you, man. I can't do anything right today. So look at this move right here. See it? It went up all the way to here. Now we went back, but this move was too big. So right now it went back to here, but it failed to make a new low. Oh, Robinhood took off. It took off without me. Let's see if it pulls back to here. If it give us this play again. There's 26 seconds left. 39.06. So that's 20 cents. That's not a bad bar. I hope it doesn't grow any bigger. I need it to get smaller. All right, I'm going to go in Robinhood, 200 shares. Hoping it doesn't fizzle out. It took two reds right here, so. Oh, I was fast. I'm going to wait till this bar closes. I'm going to short Robinhood. 300 shares. I stop right here. They're pretty aggressive. See how they bought this? Like when you have a green takeout red, you usually have a follow through. This is going to have another bar follow through. I like it. be taking some profit right here. It's pretty aggressive. The shorts tried to control it, shot back up like fire. Remember, we're playing variable plays, guys. Variable. Don't be stubborn. Don't feel bad. You got stopped out. Don't think in this play, hey man, I don't know how to trade. Like this one right here, like when this comes out like a solid green bar and another red bar takes it, okay? It like, it usually shows weakness. But when this other bar comes in right here and fires up like a cracker, hey man, it tells you who's in charge. The green are in charge, not the reds. And we got the 8 rising right here. So if we can get it right here on 400 shares, we'll bring our account back. Let's see if we can get hit on this. How's that Google trade going, man? I didn't even look at Google. Just look at Googie. Googie. Goog. Oh, still pumping. Very good. Let's see if this Robin Hood get a hold. I'm gonna go grab me a coffee, guys. Hold on, I'll be right back. Right. See, I like it's kind of smooth drop so far. No damage right here, which is good. As long as this bar stays right there, doesn't respect that 20, doesn't collapse at the last 40. Still have 44 seconds to go. Need this bar to keep fire back up above that 20. As the bar can break us or break us right here. Need it to shoot back up, shoot back up. Looks like it's gonna hit a stop, collapsed. Hit that new high, did make a new high, collapsed. That's the play of all plays. I need to move it one penny. I don't want him nicking it one freaking penny. Just one penny. Let's see. Hoping for it to respect that level, fire back up. And he took us off. Damn it. Unbelievable, man. Pierre took it off. Boom, boom. We got hit hard. What is this, over? Disney, SPY, Google collapsed, MU, oh, the 200. Any of you guys trading right now, or everybody's gone? Anybody still here? Anyone? Ah. I'm gonna call it a day. It seems like that's it. I reached my limit for the day. I might take a couple of trades later on, but as of right now, I'm not doing any more trading. I'm not feeling any good, but and it's not your day. It's not your day. Just walk away. Sometimes your brain's not functioning or anything, man. I'm just like, for the last week and a half, 2 weeks, my brain has just been hammered. Zero juice. So we're down $241 on the whole account as of right now. Nothing serious, but if we go to thousands and we keep playing, that's a problem. That's a gambler mentality. So if you're not your day today, just call it a quit. Hey, thank you guys for coming in. I appreciate it. Yo, everybody have a good day. Hopefully you enjoy your day today. I'm gonna just go chill, man. This freaking sickness, whatever it is, just eating me up. I think I'm gonna lose my voice. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate it. Bye-bye. Anybody have questions or anything?